BLACK+DECKER offers a range of rice cookers for every meal size. All of the rice cookers have a non-stick, dishwasher-safe cooking bowl. The measurement markings on the inside of the bowl indicate the water level. Remember, a rice cup is about 3/4 of a standard cup. After you've added the water, add the rice. Plug in the unit and press the cook button. Cooking takes between 20 to 40 minutes depending on the type and amount of rice. When the rice is done cooking, the unit switches to keep warm, which is not just a safety feature, but also keeps the rice at perfect serving temperature. Be sure to use the included serving spoon because it won't scratch the coating of the bowl. There is a steam vent on the lid. However, you may need to lift the lid occasionally to release excess steam. The rice cooker makes more than just rice. It can make soups, stews, oatmeal, and other slow-cooked meals. If you want to steam fish or veggies, fill the bowl with a couple inches of water. Just make sure it doesn't touch the steaming basket. Put your food in the basket, then cover and cook. It's just that easy with a BLACK+DECKER rice cooker.